Here's the home. We're going to take a quick look at the surrounding neighborhood, which is in Astoria, neighborhood inside Prescott Lakes in Prescott, Arizona. The homes are done in a Victorian style. This is a cul-de-sac street, very little traffic. We'll pass around the side, we'll see that later. Nice front porch. This neighborhood's very friendly. People sit out on the front porch, they walk around the neighborhood, say hello to one another. There's a side entrance here, all nicely done with pavers. And here is the front door entrance. Stepping inside, you're in the kitchen great room area, all open concept. There's a den area here to the left. We'll come back and see that in a bit. So here's the great room area. Great stone fireplace and mantel. View out the backyard with these big sliders. To the right there is the master suite. We'll come back and see that in a second. Dining room area off the kitchen. And there's the pantry. We'll take a peek inside. Little coffee station. Appliances, backsplash, cabinetry. View over the great room into the backyard. Off the kitchen is the laundry room. And then into the garage. Heading over to the den. So a little seating area here. This could be a bedroom. You could put French doors in. There is a closet and windows. And down this hallway is the guest quarters. There's a big storage closet here. Guest bathroom. And guest bedroom. This is the front of the house, so we're looking in the front. So heading down the hallway, back toward the great room, and the entranceway to the left. Now we're heading over to the master suite. Closet there to the left. Lots of natural light. There's the ensuite master bath. Sunken tub, rain glass, shower stall. Double vanity. Here's the potty closet. And the walk-in closet. Both sides. It's pretty good size. Now heading back into the master bedroom and around toward the great room again. Now we're going to take a look at the backyard. The first thing to note is that the backyard is actually really big. This is an overview of the lot itself. It's very deep. So you kind of have your own little park area here in the back. Here's a view toward the house from the back of the yard. And a back patio with a pergola. You can see the entrance around the left-hand side toward the front of the house, all pavered out. And we'll take a walk around the backyard. The bushes there in the green behind the sign, those are rose bushes. Here's what they look like when they're in bloom. Just gorgeous. And heading back around the path. The trees and the bushes haven't bloomed yet. This is taken in early April, but here's a shot of what they look like when they come in. Lots of beautiful colors. And we'll end with a shot of the sunset from the backyard. And that's it.